In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Cash App theme. So I currently just have the normal theme. It's either black or green or white, depending what screen you're on. But they do have different styles, and these are actually unlocked like an in-game purchase. You want to tap your icon on the top right corner, and then you can scroll down now and go to themes. So you can see that there's 3 different themes here. There's a pink theme, the glitter theme, and this sort of camo theme. And when you activate these, your whole app will look like this. You can use the order button in the top right corner. And basically, this is a theme to match whatever credit card you order. So it's kind of like a paid feature. If we go to the card screen, we can scroll down, go to design a new card. And we can see these are the themes that you can get. So pink, glitter, or tortoise. And you have to pay $5 to get the card to unlock the theme. So if you want your Cash App to have a cool theme, it's gonna cost you $5. But that's how to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.